Okay, although it is a new, different day, I promise I washed this shirt. It's one of my favorites, and with this crazy Kentucky mother truckin' weather, y'all, long sleeves, but like not too heavy long sleeves is like what you gotta wear. Like, you can tell it's a different day. My hair has been washed, everything's... Why am I explaining myself? Because that's who I am as a person. I am an over-explainer. So anyways, hi, welcome to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Rhonda, and welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. No way. Okay, I thought my husband was coming upstairs. I'm like, no, back to the basement with you. Today we are unboxing my Ipsy paid for Glam bag, and it was a little funny because it's been sitting here for a few days and I have been like a crazy person trying to figure out some of the full-size products in here, why, and then I was putting my face on and I was like, duh, you had rewards and you finally spent them because they were about to expire after a bajillion years. I was just confused because I still haven't received my BoxyCharm for April, my paid for box. So I was like, did they just shove everything in here? I don't know. But they didn't. Turns out I just forget what I do. It's how I am. But anyways, before I get into the unboxing, a shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You guys don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate each and every single one of y'all. I am incorporating my thanks crew because, and I'm not asking for y'all to do this, it is something that is new to me, but you guys have been, some of y'all been clicking the thanks little icon doohickey on some of my videos and just donating to the channel. So thank you guys so much for those of you who have done that. I never ask for a dime. I do this because I love the interacting with you all, and of course I love unboxing stuff and playing in makeup and all of that. So thank you to those of you who add a little something extra to the channel. You guys, again, don't have to do that, but just know that I see you most of the time. Sometimes I miss it and I'm really sorry if I do, but this is just my way of thanking you all, is by popping this up for you guys to see. So thank you. I'm really awkward, sorry guys. I have a couple other channels. I'll have them listed and linked down below. Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there, and then Hotmess in the Kitchen. Ooh, that reminds me, I need to make my video live, my grocery haul video. Is she ever together? Name of the channel, Hot Mess, okay, period. So, I've been watching Miss Jemima. Freaking love her. Everything is sass, 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 period. And I'm like, ooh, I wish I could be more sassy in real life. Like, this is real life, but I'm saying like outside of my walls. Talking too much, let's do this. So anyways, one of the things that I picked up, because you get to keep your points for a while, but I've had mine and I've used them, but I've had Ipsy since probably 2016, 2015, I don't know. So this bag is like $13 with tax in Kentucky. It comes to $16, but like I said, if people use your referral link to sign up, you do get rewards. You also get rewards if you leave little reviews on the things that have been placed in your bag. So I went ahead and picked up the Radiant Micellar Water. It's a little makeup remover. I think this is a pump kind. Yes. So I honestly picked this up because I thought my 17-year-old sometimes likes to use, like, you know, put on eye makeup and stuff and then struggles to get it off, and I thought, ooh, this might be something that could work really well. So anywho, I picked that up with my rewards. I guess I think I did get this. I did. So this is just a Boca pink soft plastic toothbrush. I actually used the Boca toothpaste. It's like a remineralizer or something kind of toothpaste. So, and I really like it. It's not too harsh. And my youngin', who's 17, uses the orange dreamsicle flavored one and loves it. So it's just a nice soft type of toothbrush. It does come with like a little case on here as well. I am queen of like scrubbing and screwing up my gums. So I try and find soft bristle toothbrushes per my dentist recommendation. I have like an electric toothbrush, but even that I go to ham sandwich on. So I find that if I use a soft bristle brush, it won't be as damaging. Next in here is the smoothing hand cream. This is a kale and turmeric by Havana, however you say that. So anywho, picked that up with the rewards. And I think the last thing I did get was this Candy Melts vegan lip balm. It's in a really cute little box. It's melon bubble yum. I'm so sorry if you guys hear me sniffling. It's allergies here in Kentucky. We can't get our weather right. We're 80, anywhere from 80 to 30. You just never know. It's like a goodie bag. So kind of reminds me of a little like lip balm, those tins that we would had in the 90s. The scent, it's not as strong, but it does kind of remind me of that. So really cute. So here's the bag for April. Couldn't remember what month we are in. And here's the other side. It's kind of like a nice little canvas bag. You do have a little zipper on here. And the first item, now I did get to customize one item in here when you do purchase your bag. So the first item is by Ciate Lennon, the Extraordinary setting powder. No, isn't that cute? Just simple little setting powder. I just like the little minis, okay? And that's the thing with the $13 bag, $16 after tax. That's pretty much everything in here is going to be deluxe size samples. You get 5 of them. And then with BoxyCharm by Ipsy, you get 5 large items. I don't know why I'm telling you about it because I have nothing to show for it, but anywho. The next item in here is by Catrice Cosmetics, and it is a lip liner. And I'm not for sure of the shade, but I actually, like, just looking at it, I think I'm gonna like this shade. Okay, does anybody else, like, I know they do it for safety, but you're not sold in a store. Does the whole thing have to be plasticed up? I mean, I guess it's better for shipping purposes. I got a couple PR things I was gonna show you in today's video too. Okay, look at that. Isn't that a weird, funky looking crayon? Oh yeah, I like this color. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Sugar and Spice by Gerard Cosmetics. As we know, one of my favorite lip liners. Do I have it on today? I either have Sugar and Spice on today or Ecstasy. One of those two. I don't know. At this point, I just grab and start putting it on. And then on my lips, I also just have the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Plumper. Yes. Okay, next in here is a Facial Detox by Golden McFadden. It's just a little, is it a cleanser? Clarify Clear Mask. So it's only a mask. And it's going to clean out my pores. And I match it. Look at that. Alright, next in here, I have the Grown Alchemist something. Oh, it's a hand cream. I always love having I always need hand creams. And it's so funny because my kids will even come to me and be like, Mom, I need lotion. And then the last item in here, I'm trying to think what I chose. I think I chose the hand cream, to be honest with you all, because again, my kids constantly are asking me for hand cream. The last thing is by Hey Honey, and this is the Come Clean facial scrub. So, and Hey Honey is a pretty good brand. I've tried a few of their things out, can't complain. So that is everything in my paid for bag for April. Now I already did do a PR unboxing with Ipsy on that, so I'll try to remember to link that bag and unboxing down below for you guys. As far as the PR goes, this really shocked me and has me so flippin' excited. I don't think I will ever get used to brands actually watching the channel or Instagram and reaching out to me. Boggles my brain. I'm like, what? I'm sorry. Like, this is just me chit chatting with my friends, which is funny because I noticed like trending right now is people filming FaceTime style videos or something. Like, that's the new trend. And I'm like, oh, I've pretty much done that all every video that I upload. I feel like I do it in like a FaceTime type of dealio because I don't know, I just feel like it's fun to get on here and chat with y'all. But anyways, I digress. So Catrice actually sent over some PR and I'm like, what? So anywho, they sent over, anyways, they were excited to share some of their Catrice products with me. And this is the Prime and Fun Multi-Talented Fixing Spray, or Multi-Talent Fixing Spray. Prepares the skin, improves the makeup wear, and refreshes the complexion. So that is really nice. I like the travel size type of setting spray that they have. Next in here, how beautiful is this? This is my color blush all the way. So this is a Cover Cheek Oil Infused Blush. I mean, she is gorgeous. Oh, and she feels really nice too. Oh yeah, this reminds me honestly of like NARS Orgasm. That color is absolutely stunning. I love that. They also sent over a mattifying powder that's actually waterproof and translucent. They also sent over a highlighter, More Than the Glow. Oh, look how beautiful. I've never tried this. Yeah, that is beautiful. Also sent over an oil control primer and the True Skin High Coverage Concealer. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This has hyaluronic acid in it. It's an 18-hour hydrating concealer. Ooh, I wonder if it'll match me. And then, oh my gosh, what is this? Powerful Glossy Lip. Oh, I love that. And it's a lip oil, so it's gonna be much sheerer. And then, holy guacamole, check this out. They've got the hydrating foundation with hyaluronic acid. It has long wear. Yes, please. So there will definitely be some videos and me trying that on. And then we have some pencils, lip pencils. These are so my color. They are so neutral. I love, 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 love. So thank you to Catrice for sending this over my way. We'll definitely do a try on. My baby child has to get their wisdom teeth out tomorrow. So one of y'all picked up on it on one of my videos I just uploaded. You guys were like, you seem a little off. Mom's been stressed. Like, you never, like, you know, when your kids have to get things done, I always get like nerve-wracked, you know what I mean? So if I seem off, it's because I work, and then I hate bedtime. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but come bedtime, my brain, like, my husband can just hit the pillow and be like, you know, me, I hit the pillow and I'm like, let's play the what if game. What if this? What if that? What? And I'm like, shut up. So yeah, I haven't gotten the best sleep because of the what if game. Anywho, thank you to Catrice for sending those products over my way. I will definitely be doing a try on for you guys. Next, OFRA Cosmetics did come out with some new powders, which I'm so excited over this. These are their airbrush setting powders. And the nice thing with this is they actually have reformulated their loose powders, so they're more of an airbrush type of finish. So they've got a brightening powder that you can choose from, 3 different colors, translucent powders, 3 different colors, and then also an oil control powder that you can pick up. They're $23 a piece. However, code HOTMESS will save you 20%. They did put in a little brush, and then they did send over 3 colors. They sent over the oil control, the brightening, and then I guess this one is a translucent, it's the setting powder. So thank you so much to OFRA Cosmetics. We'll definitely be using that. I guess we can do like a whole little video. So same like kind of component that they had before. I'm really excited about this. From what I was watching OFRA's video with Shaq and Ashley and Denise, everybody, and they were showing like a try on how to use it and everything. And I mean, these, they said, yeah, they said it was like very fun. It definitely is, which is going to be really nice for us, you know, with mature skin and dry under eyes and all of that fun stuff. So it's not fun at all. So they did send over the light color, which I really like that. I'm thinking, well, I don't know. I could set my face with that. I could set my T-zone with the oil control, like by my nose where my pores like to have a party. So here's the oil control, which is translucent, so it's not going to be like that. And then here's the brightening, which I'm kind of thinking maybe under my eyes. I don't know. We'll see. We'll definitely play around and check it out. But thank you to OFRA Cosmetics for sending this over. Y'all know I absolutely love OFRA Cosmetics products, especially their complexion products, their skincare. I've got their concealer on today. I mean, I know. I just love them. So like I said, if you do want to pick up their airbrush powders, definitely check my description box below. I'll have a link for you guys. Thank you if you do use any of my links, coupon codes, anything, if I can make them affiliates. You know your girl's gonna do that, okay? So anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate it if you made it to the end of today's video. I know this week I've been a little with all my videos, but it's just mom worries. You know what I mean? Mom worries. So anyways, thank you guys bunches once again to my YouTube members for, you know, sticking around, helping support the channel. I definitely appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to my thanks crew. You guys, again, do not ever have to do that. But again, thank you guys for everything. And check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hotmess in the Kitchen, and of course my other social medias at Hotmess Momma for TikTok and Instagram. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon